Al-Qaeda and wannabes together with deadlier weapons than ever before, that strikes me as one of our most serious problems. The other thing I worry about, frankly, is this whole problem of electromagnetic pulse and the threat that represents to our electrical grid.
Explain that.
Well, if you set off a nuclear weapon a couple hundred miles above the United States in terms of altitude, and it is designed so that it emits a lot of gamma rays, those gamma rays, in effect, will strike our electrical grid and burn out a lot of major transformers that are part of that grid. And you end up in a situation where we're not talking just about a few days of loss of power or weeks. We're talking months or maybe even years. Those big transformers that are connected to the electrical grid aren't even built in the United States. They're built overseas. And when you take out the power grid, you take out most of our economy, our lifestyle, our ability to pump water, to pump gasoline, to feed, to grow the crops. I mean, it would literally shut down our civilization. And another source of that kind of problem would be a solar flare that came out far enough from the sun and struck the Earth. Had to have to be at the exact right spot, and obviously in our orbit. That happened once before in 1849, I think. But the problem we're faced with is that our system is vulnerable, especially the civilian infrastructure from the standpoint of that. Now everybody thinks North Korea to be a threat to the United States, needs lots of missiles able to fly thousands of miles very accurately with warheads the way we do. They don't have to do that at all. All they've got to do is figure out a way to detonate one weapon a couple hundred miles over the Earth.